After waiting for weeks, the package is safely arriving. Let's crack it open and see the inside. Oh, it's protected by sealed air. Nice! Sony recently released a few brand new fresh design double-din head units. Since my dad owns a 2009 Japanese SUV, it would be great if I replaced the OEM head unit with this SONY XAV-AX6000. It's made for iPhone, works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, has built-in Bluetooth, USB-C, HDMI, radio function, review camera input, iData-Link Maestro compatible, 6.95 inches capacitive touchscreen, and more. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First, there is an operating instruction. It's available in 3 languages. Next, it's a package full of parts for the installation. There are 11 parts in the package. Power supply leads. Connection cables for audio and camera. These mounting screws will be used to mount the head unit to the dash kit. This microphone is for hands-free calling and voice command functions. Next, it's a flat mount base. You might need it to clip with the microphone. It will allow you to mount the microphone to a flat surface. To stick the microphone to a flat surface, this double-sided tape would help. The next thing is a USB Type-C extension cable. Next, there is a cable for the steering wheel remote input. It has 3 inputs: the steering wheel remote ground, input 1, and input 2. You may need 2 or all 3 inputs depending on your vehicle. When using Apple CarPlay with a wireless connection, this GPS antenna needs to be connected. Otherwise, the Apple CarPlay won't work. This metal plate will help improve GPS signal reception. Be sure to use it with the GPS antenna. And lastly, there are cable ties. Another paper we got in the box is a limited warranty note. The 3 years limited warranty is available in the US and Canada only. Now, it's time to have a look at the head unit. It is packed and protected well. There are 4 mounting holes on the left and 4 more on the right side of the chassis. Let's have a closer look at the back of the chassis. Overall, it's a great product. Well designed, and the build quality is really good. Great job, Sony. Please consider subscribing, give me a thumb, and stay tuned for my installation video.